So, oftentimes, when things are going right, it's natural for women to go back and drag the past to bring it here to say, I don't believe this is happening. What if something goes wrong? Tandiswa had an opportunity, had a chance, had a beautiful moment to celebrate the house that she was given, or ithengiwe, and she was surprised by this house. Now she's sitting there and I'm like, ngiyawuthanda lo muzi muhle, but I don't deserve it. Gupindombi, like, what do you mean? What are you trying to say? You don't deserve it. Can you just enjoy the moment? Can you be in the moment? Can you make this man feel good for getting this house for both of y'all? No. And do deserve. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanbonan, Abshin, Modwen, Minjani, Hipukila Hingungwina. So Namutla Kano Kwahina was Smoke and Mirrors Hikumakore. Last time second looking at the fact that Utandis was moving out and throwing some shades. Besege Uliroy at you know what, we have to keep your cup here so that you can come back and at least visit us. I said I'm not going for good. I'll sometimes come and visit you guys as well. You guys need to come and see my dimension because ke nna ko toropong ngwanaka ke nna ko dimensioning wa tlhaloganya taba. On the other hand again, Uba Dlamini decided in the moment of trying to cheer up Okaise, because it's like the stress is and wa fokola, so they're just trying to be parents that are available and ba batla go montsha gore ba mo rata and dintho tse leng gore yena wa di rata le bona ba di rata ba tla mo thusa ka tsona. He decided that he was going to wake up early in the morning and then Dlamini is going to remain and cook them some nice breakfast so that when they come back they can eat. Ashiba he ba tsamaya bo itukuche he okay ba itukuche, they're going for a morning run so that when they come back she can get ready for school. He goes back to work and then Barking Dijo is ready. Oh, Mama Pinky, she is saying, yeah, she's a Christian, so which means that hauna the damage control, because Makolide ended up saying that ubatlo who pop up ntlaulo besegena kwavunywa lana ngoba amadlozi kwabanibani njani kwasha kwacima, so lo mama lo yena athi ufuna imali, because she's not about the life of killing the cows and stuff. She is about the money. So it's fine. They can do the traditional whatever, but it has to come not in 2 feet, but in a form of imali. I just don't understand. But on the conversation between Usomganga, Umampinki, no Mamiki, Umampinki was throwing shade to Somganga, saying that I know how it feels like when a man just leaves you pregnant and does not want to take care of your child, and then they expect you to do everything. That was some deep shade, and Mamiki was like kind of resonating with it. But then at the end of the day, the mother said, you know what, the fact that Magolite doesn't want to marry you does not necessarily mean that nobody else is going to see you and love you. Mr. Mkwanas is moving out of the hotel, and Miss Mata, she's not happy. Like, they were throwing shades at each other, and he said that the tip is going to actually give it to Abba Sevens because he knows with Angege is a figure. But listen, not only an hour, the whole entire day, and he was so not bothered. As a matter of fact, I'm not moving out. I'm not going out of Ebumyamin. I'm moving out of your lousy hotel. So usazongibona futhi kahle kahle ngiyohlala la bekuhlala usiza yo akasemuncu ugel akasemuncu. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you made it this far, please give it a thumbs up and a comment. I really love hearing from you.